Hi, welcome back to my channel. Alright. In this video, I'm going to show you the steps to use the Hfxdashboard 4.0. There are two types of method. Method number 1 is the basic rule, and the second one is the volume rule. Step number 1 is strength. Step number 2 is demand. Step number 3 is momentum. Step number 4 is buy and sell breakout. Step number 5 is TP2, and step number 6 is currency strength. The strong and the weak graph of currencies. This is step number 1. Step number 2. Step number 3. Step number 4. Step number 5, and the last one is step number 6. For the strength, the percentage value should be yellow in color. For instance, Euro Great Britain pound, strength value is yellow, and its demand is buy. The momentum should have 3 dark green color. M5, M15, and M30. 1, 2, 3. Number 4 is the buy breakout. Since we are about to buy, the buy breakdown should be green. That means the current price is higher than the buy breakout price. Number 5 is TP2. At this time, TP2 is still available. That means we can set the take profit at TP2. Last one is the currency strength. If currency strength is above 50, that means is confirmed. We can trade the respective pair. Alright. Now we're going to learn about the sell steps. Let's take a look on Great Britain pound Canadian dollar. Its strength percentage is yellow, and the demand is sell. There are 3 dark red in the momentum. 1, 2, 3, dark red. Since we are looking for sell, and the bid already break the sell breakout level, thus, can take TP2 as our take profit price, and place our stop loss at given stop loss price. As we can see here, GBP CAD. GBP at weak level at -50. While CAD above level 50. Now, we are about to learn the interesting part, which is volume. This is volume, the blue box. What is volume? Volume is the largest quantity of trade on specific currency pair. If there is a volume, market can move strongly as large as of numbers being traded in the particular time. Thus, the price could easily reaches the target take profit price. This brings me to the end of the lesson. To summarize my main points, you can trade the pair without the volume. But if it does have the volume, market will move faster than usual. Thus, it could help you to profit in short time without waiting too long before it hit the take profit price. That's all for now. See you again.